Takuma Skybongiwe, and we are back at the Festival of Motoring. Now today I have Rico, and this year's festival is a special festival for Rico because it's the first time you guys are coming back.
That's correct.
Since
COVID, yes.
Since COVID. So Rico, could you please tell me about your lovely company?
So we are Rico Barlow Racing. We're primarily a motor racing company based in Cape Town, and we race in LMP prototypes in the South African Endurance Series. And one of our divisions in our company is the Autolift brand, which is what we have here today. So under the Autolift brand, which comes from the Czech Republic, we have all these amazing mechanical lifts that require absolutely zero maintenance. We've got 4 different types. We have the Autolift 3000, which is a tilt lift, picks up 3 tons. Under this beautiful race car here, we have got the brand new Autolift Twin, which we're just launching at this show. It's the first time it's being seen in South Africa, and that picks up 4.5 tons. It's a specialized scissor lift. And then under this motor, which has been supplied by Auto Executive in Centurion, we've got the Up and Down 3000, which is a single lift and replaces your normal trolley jack lift.
Oh, awesome.
Then we've got the motorcycle edition of the Autolift Twin as well. And as you can see, we've got a very big 260 kilogram motorcycle on there. And over here we've got the EasyLift 1500, which is built specifically for motocross bikes, and you can move your bike around on it, you can wash it, everything. All our lifts are fully mechanical, so you can power wash your vehicle and everything, and nothing will happen to your lift.
Right. So could you please tell me, where can people find out more about Rico?
If you go to ricobarlowracing.co.za, you'll be able to get all our details. We have an online shop, we have all of our products. We're also a Motul accredited garage, and we supply all Motul equipment. They're also our largest sponsor when it comes to our motor racing. So we're very entrenched with our partners in Autolift and in Motul.
Awesome. So what are your expectations for today?
So it's been a little bit of an up and down. We expected a lot more people yesterday afternoon, but also with people having to work, the financial situation in South Africa is a little bit tougher than it used to be. And I think a lot of people were waiting for the weekend because this is a family festival.
Yes.
And I think that's what's happening. You can see dads and moms coming with the kids, and everybody's got a different interest. The kids want to look at the go-karting and the bikes and the cars, and the parents are looking more at the products and so on. So for us, the Festival of Motoring is something that we have to do every year, and it's the biggest show in Africa.
It is. Hope to see you next year.
Super. Sky, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Well, it is Sky, and I'm signing out. Bye, Talk fam.